Grace sees the beast nearby and convinces Adam to come back. Lee frees herself, but the beast swims after her. She manages to climb atop the boat. But the beast thrashes the boat in an attempt to throw her off.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short movie stories, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon to stay notified on all our new movie recaps.
The film opens with Super 8 footage depicting a family of 4 standing beneath a tree with hoods over their heads and nooses around their necks. An unseen figure soars through a limb, acting as a counterweight, causing them all to be hanged.
I wish you'd let me clean it.
Mom, it's
You come back anytime. You're always welcome.
Where are we gonna go first? I want to see that crocodile place.
While on vacation, Grace, her husband Adam, and Grace's younger sister Lee decide to visit a crocodile show. The next day Grace takes a pregnancy test and it is positive, but does not tell her husband. They head to Blackwater Barriers fishing tour on a whim to take a boat ride into the mangrove swamp to try some fishing. Months later, washed-up true crime writer Ellison Oswalt moves into the murdered family's home with his wife, Tracy, and the 2 children, Ashley, a gifted artist who is allowed to paint on her walls, and Trevor, who begins re-experiencing bizarre night terrors upon moving into the home. Only Ellison is aware that the house they are moving into was the crime scene. Ellison intends to use the murders as the basis for his new book, and hopes that his research will turn up the fate of the family's 5th member, a little girl named Stephanie who disappeared following the murders.
A truck and leave as soon as you're able. No, thank you, sir.
Is it the writing?
More a matter of con.
No, I don't think so. Wait.
Why was he pointing at the house?
Get home. He'll be back later.
That bad?
Yes, I got a text from him last night saying, "Was that you?"
Is that you what?
I don't know. We were sleeping, so I didn't respond. He probably heard the same thing I did when I woke up, right?
Once they arrive at the docks, their tour guide Barry is not available, but Jim, another guide, offers to take them instead. Jim arms himself with a revolver and they set off. After failing to catch any fish on the usual route, Jim suggests going deeper into the swamps.
What was that?
While in a small clearing, Lee spots something through her camera and alerts Grace, but later finds nothing.
Get up the tree!
Please, Lee!
Get up the tree! I'll get
Lee! Lee!
Grace!
What happened?
It's a fucking croc.
What?
It's a croc!
Lee!
Just get up the tree!
Okay.
Ellison finds a box in the attic, which contains a projector and several reels of standard 8mm footage that are each labeled as if innocent home movies.
And fortune cookies. Enjoy, kids. We're not likely to be able to eat out much this time.
Why not?
Do you know, once it's gone, we'll be able to afford a few extra things. Why?
I don't.
No, we haven't sold the old house yet. Lowered it as much as we can without losing money. The market's terrible. Once we're not paying 2 mortgages.
Then sell it already. Lower the price if you have to.
No, we've already just we'll be fine. And once I sell my new book, we'll be on easy street.
Pretty good one this time.
Yeah, it's good. Of course it is.
Will you take me and show me where it happened?
Trevor.
Watching the films, Ellison discovers that they are snuff movies depicting families being murdered in various ways. Including having their throats slit in bed, Sleepy Time, 98 being burned to death in a car, Barbecue, 79 being drowned in their pool, Pool Party, 66 being run over by a lawnmower, Lawn Work, 86 and the hanging that opened the movie, Family Hanging Out, 11. Suddenly, the boat capsizes, dumping the occupants into the water. Jim is killed underwater, and Adam realizes that a crocodile has attacked them. He helps Grace into a nearby tree and searches the water for Lee, who got tangled up in ropes underneath the boat.
Catch it, alright, catch it!
I will.
Grace sees the beast nearby and convinces Adam to come back.
Adam, get out! It's coming back! Adam, it's a croc!
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short movie stories and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon to stay notified on all our new movie recaps.
Lee frees herself, but the beast swims after her. She manages to climb atop the boat. But the beast thrashes the boat in an attempt to throw her off. Adam and Grace distract it and it swims away. Realizing they can use the boat's ropes to pull Lee to safety, they attempt to execute this plan, only for the boat to get stuck. A hesitant Lee is forced to swim across and makes it, despite panicking halfway across.
Your ankle, is it okay? It's pretty sore. Oh my god, it doesn't look good. Shit.
The girls suggest waiting for help, but Adam claims no one saw them leave.
No one knows we're here. And there's hundreds and hundreds of miles of estuarine and mangroves.
So Grace tries climbing the trees back to the mainland. However, she is forced to climb back after finding pieces of a corpse. An impatient Adam goes for the boat. He successfully overturns it, but the beast kills him. The girls make numerous attempts to continue his plan, only to be thwarted at every turn, and eventually, the boat floats away out of safe reach.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short movie stories and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon to stay notified on all our new movie recaps.